We all know that when presenting a Medicare Advantage plan, it's very important to follow all CMS rules in order to be compliant. If you're on an MA appointment and you want to offer a hospital indemnity or any other health-related coverage, always remember to have a scope of appointment form signed by the applicant and follow any waiting period set by CMS. But did you know, any appointment not made for the purpose of discussing Medicare Advantage does not need a scope of appointment. In fact, CMS cannot regulate appointments made for the sole purpose of discussing Medicare supplement coverage or any other health-related coverages such as hospital indemnity, long-term and short-term care, cancer coverage, and dental vision hearing. So remember, you have existing clients out there that have MA plans without hospital indemnity coverage. Take the opportunity to educate them about the benefits of hospital indemnity. You can contact them in person, by phone, or by mail, and you don't have to have a scope of appointment signed. Following the rules are easy, and it's more important than ever to reach out to your book of business. Because if you don't put your clients on a hospital indemnity plan, I promise you another agent will.